Hi everyone, I'm Ananya and today we'll be making homemade chocolate cupcakes with vanilla whipped cream frosting. These are absolutely soft, rich and decadent. So let's get started. As the first step, we'll be mixing all of the dry ingredients together. We'll need 1.5 cups of flour, 1 1/4 cup of sugar and a quarter cup of cocoa powder as well. Please make sure the cocoa powder needs to be sifted thoroughly before mixing it in the dry mixture. We also add 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a quarter teaspoon of salt. We mix the dry ingredients thoroughly so that the baking soda gets evenly distributed. We take another medium-sized bowl and mix all of our wet ingredients together. We add 1 large egg and 1 cup of buttermilk. In case you do not have buttermilk, you can take 1 cup of milk and add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to it and let it sit for 5 minutes. This helps make the cupcakes soft and airy. We then add the rest of the wet ingredients, half cup of vegetable oil and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now the next step is very important to get that rich chocolatey flavor. I add 1 tablespoon of coffee. You can mix the coffee with some hot water and then add it to the mixture. The hot water helps the cocoa powder bloom and intensifies the chocolatey texture. We then mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients batch by batch and combine it just enough so that we don't see any of the loose flour. It is very important that we do not overmix so that we get that light and fluffy texture of the cupcake. Divide the batter into the cupcake liners evenly. Fill the batter until it's about 2/3 full. Here I have got about 18 small sized cupcakes. You can get about 12 medium sized cupcakes of this batter. Now tap it slightly to let the air bubbles out. Now bake it at 180 for 17 to 20 minutes. And here you go, you have your chocolate cupcakes out of the oven looking absolutely gorgeous. The tops are springy to the touch. Take the cupcakes out of the pan and let it rest on a wire rack to help it cool for some time. Once it is cooled, pipe it with your favorite frosting. Here I have used vanilla whipped cream frosting and I'm piping a rosette. Decorate it with sprinkles or anything else that you want and it's ready for consumption.